now I want to show you reasons for using EVA. So when you work with EVA, you would probably start with a template. So you can actually launch a template and you'll have a whole range of KPIs. But as you probably all know, in these reporting platforms, there's always templates, but they're really useful to get the ball rolling. So if I start with this financial dashboard example, which I'm going to call, a special dash for us, okay? And down here, what it does is it spits these out. We can sort of readjust things, readjust the heights, and then we're going to save this dashboard, this special dash for us. Okay, so after you have just spat out a dashboard, we're going to bring up show EVA next to our dashboard. Okay, and I'm just going to go to some questions that I've already done to just give you an idea of how we use EVA to build a dashboard. So I've said, look, income this financial year versus last financial year, and the difference and percentage difference by account name. Okay, we look at that and we go, all right, not quite what I'm looking for. So I just changed this to say income. You can see here sales and belts are too high. So I said income this financial year to date versus last financial year to date, and difference. It goes, okay, so it will go back and it will build it again. Perfect. Now that's what I'm after. So I'm going to pin this specific report to our special dash, and it's like income analysis visual. We're going to pin that. Okay. And it pins, and now it sits down here as income analysis. Here it is. Okay, so it's added to our dashboard, and we would repeatedly do that. We interact with EVA with what we're trying to build out here. Now, the next example I wanted to show you then with EVA is you build, right, and then you analyze. So I've just got here. Show me sales cumulative for Emma Newland last financial year, because you might be looking at Emma Newland and you decide I want to drill into it, right? So it will graph Emma Newland. So this is a visual that doesn't go on your dashboard, but it sits next to you while you ask questions of the data, and you can drill into specific account names, specific tracking categories, specific customers and suppliers, and get what you're after. So then the other thing I just showed you here was show me wages general ledger movement last financial year. And if I just come down, you can't actually see it perfectly, but if I just open it out and so you can see it, right? This is just the general ledger movement for wages, right? But this would show you the invoice numbers. Now, I know you can spin up a general ledger in Xero or in Moab directly. That's no problem. But it's pretty instant and fast to just be able to get this out of the box instantly while you're looking in connection with your current reporting. So it's very powerful to just be able to go bang, here it is, and be able to play with it. Okay, I'm just going to close that one down there. So they are, to begin with, three reasons. I've touched on Excel with that monthly cash flow example with the inputs, being able to input things. Then the Power BI was being able to interact with different visuals and have something that's scalable and repeatable that you would always come back to. And then EVA is just that speed to really do this.